Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing what the app needs. Make sure your device OS and storage meet requirements, then install the beta profile or APK. Next, sign into or create the account. Enable two-factor authentication so your data stays safe. Once done, grant permissions the app requests: mic, camera, location, notifications, so core features work. Don't pause here. Open the app, follow the guided initial setup, and complete any quick preference screens to unlock the main interface immediately. You'll now configure the complex middle steps that enable daily use. Start by toggling experimental features and reading brief onboarding tips so you understand behavior differences. Then, set sync frequency, privacy controls, and notification rules to match your workflow. These settings reduce interruptions and data surprises. After that, run through the primary flows. Create an item, edit it, share with a contact, and export a sample. These tests reveal timing, conflicts, and expected outcomes while you refine settings. You're in the final stretch. Finalize backups, link integrations, and add shortcuts so the app fits your routine. Make sure automatic backups are enabled and verify integrated accounts sync correctly. Once set, monitor app behavior for a session and take notes on anything inconsistent. Then submit concise bug reports including steps, device model, and logs. If something breaks, first force quit and reopen. If that fails, clear cache or reinstall. As a last resort, restore from backup to recover working state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.